Hello everyone, Jeff here with an example of a forward contract. In this example we are going to suppose that the forward price to exchange British pounds to US dollars 3 months from now is $1.70 per British pound. The forward contract is going to be for 10,000 pounds, and we have someone, Sally, entering this contract short and Len entering the contract long. And the first thing we want to be able to do is interpret what all of that means. In a short contract, forward contract, you are obligated to sell. So when the question is asking here, describe what Sally has agreed to, Sally has agreed and has in fact obligated herself to sell 10,000 British pounds for $1.70 per British pound 3 months from now. Len has entered the contract long. When you enter a forward contract long, you have obligated yourself to buy something. In this case, Len is obligated to buy 10,000 British pounds at $1.70 per pound. So to figure out what's going to happen in the end here, it says how much does each investor gain or lose if the exchange rate at the end of the contract is $1.75 per British pound. This can be confusing if you try to use formulas to figure out who is gaining and who is losing. You can get the things reversed. And so I prefer to sort of think about what has happened to determine who the winner is and who the loser is. If you have two people and one is short and one is long, there will be one winner and one loser. That they'll have the opposite effect. So what we have here is that Len has obligated himself to buy something at $1.70, which is now worth $1.75. So he has gotten a good deal here. He's paying $1.70 for something now worth $1.75. He's going to be the winner here. Sally has obligated herself to sell something that's worth $1.75 for less than $1.75. She's going to be the loser here. So what is left to determine is the amount. The difference here between $1.70 and $1.75 is 5 cents, and the contract is for 10,000 pounds, and that means the amount in question is $500. The price ended up higher than the forward price. Len, the long position in the contract, is going to gain $500, and Sally in the short position is going to lose $500.